Hello, and thanks again for tuning in one more time with me. It's been a while since I've done one of these. It's another unboxing and first impressions. And as we all know, I'm not a fan of first impressions because generally first impressions don't really impress me much when it comes to fragrances and their unboxing. And that's generally because it usually takes some time for a fragrance to develop. Once you introduce air into the bottle, there's a science behind it, but you should generally know whether or not you're going to like it because the notes are going to slightly change, become a bit more fuller, and add a bit more depth as they mature inside the bottle. So without further ado, I'm going to tell you which one this is. It is it's a discontinued one, which I found on the shelf, and I thought, you know what, I don't have this one. I've got other ones in the same line, but I don't have this one. And the name itself sort of intrigued me a bit, so I thought I'd grab it, and it was another deal that was too good to be true. All these places I'm coming around, I'm gonna go broke pretty soon. So let's see what it is. It's from BVLGARI. It is this one. It is BVLGARI MAN Black Orient. This is the one right here. This is the bottle. It's a 60 ml bottle, and I have, I think, MAN Black cologne, which is really nice, but longevity is a bit like this, which I do enjoy on a daytime. It's a very nice office scent as well. And I also have MAN Black Extreme. That's really something special. I really like that one. I've got the limited edition all blacks sort of design bottle as well for that one. And that one I picked up for 13 bucks. Incredible. But this one was, well, it was a pretty good deal, but it wasn't exactly 13 bucks. It was a bit more than that. So wrapper be gone. Here is the box. Okay, BVLGARI, I find over-engineer their boxes, especially with the MAN line. The box is solid. It's got instructions on the top of how to actually use the atomizer, because they have the atomizers that you have to twist. This is what I mean. You have the inside little cardboardy flap, and then you have these sort of curtains, cardboard curtains that open up like so, like this. I don't know. I find that a bit too much, and it's really struggling to get the bottle out. It's actually inside it's actually got like a little a stand there as well. Yes, the bottle is over-engineered. I mean, the box is over-engineered. and this is the bottle itself. It's got a nice sort of rose gold black bottle as well. I like the feel of this one. It's really cool. And the reason why it's got the instructions is because these twist, right? You twist them to the side and you can't press the atomizer down. I guess that's pretty good if you're traveling with it, or if it's in a bag or something like that, then it can't be accidentally pressed. However, I find these hard to spray because it's not the whole thing that goes down. It's only a little plastic black bit on the top. That's the atomizer itself. So you got to sort of position your finger like this over the top to give it a spray. So let's go ahead and give it a spray right here. Maybe I can show you by doing this. Get this little thingy out of the way. And what? This is what I mean. Okay, is this gonna spray? It's not gonna spray. Did I break it? Oh, God, hope I didn't break it. Yeah, okay, that's better. One more time. Not bad, but I'm not too, I might not lock this one, considering I'll probably be keeping it in the box and my fingerprints are already all over it. I can smell that in the air. Let's give it a bit of a, do one of the, I've seen other YouTubers do it. Probably wasn't the best idea, but anyway. Nice. In the air, this reminds me of another fragrance that I have, a real cheapie, actually really good. It was called Jack Bogart Oud edition. Oud edition? No, Jack Bogart Oud edition. Something like that. I'll put up the thing somewhere. Here, there, here, somewhere. But it's, yeah, it is oud. It does have oud. It is a parfum, as a matter of fact, and I've got the spray all over the bottle. Oh my god, it's a parfum. Yeah, it's not an eau de parfum. It's actually a parfum. That's pretty good. My skin tends to do pretty well with parfums. Leather, the kind I like, the really realistic leather. Yeah, I really like that. That's coming through now. That kind of smells like Tom Ford's ombre leather, and a little bit of Gucci Guilty Absolute is in there as well. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I really like this. Really good. Too bad it's discontinued. I don't really hear too many reviews talking about this one. I don't know why. It's pretty good. So far it's really nice. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I haven't really looked into it so much. I didn't want to sway my judgment before I actually smelled it. So it's been sitting there wrapped up in its box, waiting for this particular video. So this is the actual first impression. And this is one of the first impressions, probably one of the only first impressions that actually impressed me more than I thought it would. Maybe because I went into it with low expectations. Something to ponder right there. Wow, I can't stop smelling this. It's really good. That leather and that oud is in the air. Oud is in the air. Yeah, but oud is in the air. You can get a waft of it because it's around here. But if you actually stick your nose into it, you can get the leather. And that's a really nice leather. This is sexy as hell. And I'm pretty sure because it's a parfum, it's gonna stay right here for about another 10 to 12 hours. So let's see how that goes. But there it is. BVLGARI MAN Black Orient. Another fantastic BVLGARI fragrance. They keep on impressing me. Like I've been testing out wood neroli, and I just thought, yeah, look, it's another neroli. But after the neroli went away, the woods really came into play. That was really good as well. So I might be thinking of adding that to the collection too. But MAN Extreme is really good. MAN Cologne is really good. The only one I probably wouldn't recommend in this MAN line is probably the original, the MAN itself. And that's purely because of the longevity issues. It's just not good enough for an eau de toilette. So get MAN Extreme. I have no problems with that one. That one's got a really nice cactus note in it, which I'm a big fan of, those sort of quirky sort of notes that fragrances have. So like that one a lot. But for now, this one, MAN Black Orient, winner. Yeah, it's just getting better. Fantastic. This is going to be one of my favorites, probably going into, I don't know, autumn and winter this year. So I'll probably be rocking this in about another 3 or 4 months' time, when the last wave of summer has died down here in Melbourne. This is gonna be good. So once again, MAN Black Orient, fantastic scent. If you can find it, if you have it, congratulations, that's a really good scent. If you can find it, grab it. I definitely say grab it. But then again, you know me, I gravitate towards the really heavy sort of resinous scents anyway. So this is right up my alley with the leather and the oud and things like that. And the smoke. I get smoky leather, oud in the air. That's where it is. Okay, cool. Thanks everybody, and thanks again for watching.